you watch a version of Ranjana where Kundan doesn't die in the end and walks off into the sunset with Zoya? Well, that's exactly what happened in the Tamil dubbed version of the film that was re-released in the theatres on the 1st of August, with the ending altered using AI to give it a happily ever after twist. Now, the AI-generated edit, which was created by the production house Eros International, replaces the original tragic climax with a feel-good ending showing Kundan and Zoya, played by Dhanush and Sonam Kapoor, reunited. Now, the move has sparked a storm of criticism from the film's director, the lead actor, and several fans of the film. Now, director Anand L. Rai condemned the AI change, calling it a reckless takeover that undermines the very soul of the film, and said that it was done without his consent and the consent of the creators, including the writer, the actors, the composer, lyricist, editor, technician, and the rest of the crew. Dhanush called it a mockery of storytelling. But Eros International defended its decision, stating that as a producer of Ranjana, it holds the rights and is entitled both legally and ethically to adapt and re-release the content. Now, this incident has sparked a wider conversation that while AI can enhance cinema through dubbing, VFX, and efficiency, when it starts rewriting the creative intent, the stakes change. Who owns the story and who gets the final say? And this issue isn't just about one film. Across the world, AI is rewriting cinema quite literally. In Hollywood, AI's role in storytelling was a major flashpoint, if you remember, in last year's writer and actor strikes. Disney and Warner are quietly testing AI in dubbing and VFX. In the US, AI voice clones of Tom Cruise and Scarlett Johansson have sparked legal debates. Netflix Korea also got flack for using AI art. So why does this matter, not just for the creators, but also for the business of cinema? Because when AI changes a film's emotional core, who owns that content? Do creators lose control? Whose IP is it actually? Can platforms monetize it? There's no clear legal framework yet in India to stop or license these AI edits, but the filmmakers are pushing back, and soon platforms may need to as well. Further, this could also reshape IP contracts, creator-platform relationships, and even the box office dynamics if fans start preferring alternate endings. For creators, this is about integrity. For platforms, it's about liability. And for regulators down the line, it's a ticking time bomb waiting to go off. And so this begs the larger question. Should audiences have the power to rewrite the films with AI, or should creators have the final word?